everyone, I'm Steve Burnett with Scott Murdock Trailer Sales. Wanted to take a moment to show you one of our dump trailer offerings from Max Trailers by Swift Built. This is a 16-foot tandem dual. So this particular trailer, a little heavier duty, 3-foot high sides, two 10,000-pound axles, oil bath hubs. As you're going to see with this trailer, we're still going to feature a split spreader gate. We do have removable ramps that will lock into the back here. This is also going to feature the slam latch system from Max. Much easier way to get the doors closed. Very secure way to go. With the ramps, we're going to have heavy duty tie rings inside the trailer. These are a fully powder coated trailer. We're also going to have the Tarp Kit feature, dual jacks, big heavy duty power up, power down hydraulics with charger. Spare tires standard on these. For more information on this particular trailer, give us a call at 800-688-8757. Visit our website at murdocktrailers.com.